Hi everyone, and welcome to Friday with Friends. Tonight our special guest is Janese from Just Janese, and we're going to have a little fun. I'm going to do a resin project. I am going to be today, the day you're watching this, at an art show. My church is putting on a Meet the Artists event. I was invited to be one of the guest artists, and I'm really excited. So that is going to be just before this premiere comes out. So I'm making a little something to bring with me. So let's get down to the table. Okay, I've got my heat mat out, and I've got this cute new resin mold that is all different types of cute little crosses. Some of them have raised sections to them. Some are very plain. I've got some of my eye candy pigments. We're going to play with Kamenbedukai, with Senshi red. Let's see what else I got here. I've got Skyline blue, Chrysta gold, and then to add a little color shift, I've got some Sushi roll, I've got some Kiji, and I've got some Shisho. So we're going to try those out. We'll do a little dusting. So I've got some paint brushes here to dust, and then for those I'll put the darker pigment in to get a little extra shine. Now I'm going to be using my KS Liquid Art Ultra UV epoxy resin. It's a 2-part. I'm going to mix that up now. For the rest of this video I will be doing a voiceover or putting little captions down at the bottom for you to let you know what's going on. But basically I'm going to mix up my 4 main colors. Then I'm going to dust some of these molds. Actually I'll probably dust first and then mix. And then we're going to see what happens. So hold on a minute. Okay, I'm going to dust my molds first. So first I'm going to use some sushi roll and pick which ones I want to put that on. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm going to put you on pause. I'm going to mix up the resin and then we're going to pour that in. Okay guys, these had 2 hours on the heat mat with heat, and then they sat overnight also under the mat, and they are ready to be unmolded. Let's see how they came out. Okay, and this guy's not full all the way, so I'm going to leave him be for another day because I got to put another layer on him, and he wasn't the main point anyway. All right, these are so pretty. Let me give you some final pictures up close. Okay, final results on these guys. They're so pretty. The little bit of shine on some of these is so cute. Look at how this one came out. The one with the wings I really like. But how that little bit of sparkle really brings out that detail work. The gold ones are pretty plain. This one has, I could have actually done something because there is a little bit, you can see the little indentations and stuff in it. But I didn't put anything in them. The other ones are just plain. This one I really love. Between the shifting shimmer and the red heart. That's the one that's sort of contaminated, but the nice thing about this one is the back side actually came out so shiny and smooth that I may make that the top and make the contaminated sparkly side the bottom on that one. And then this guy with the little ring. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now again, this is part of Friday with Friends, so please follow along the train. All the links are in my description box. Before me, you should have seen Janese from Just Janese, and Lance from Pouring with Lance Travis, and after me is Acrylic Creations by Jwitty with Janet. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend, everyone.